Here's what you need to know about the NetMirror app before downloading it. The first major red flag is that NetMirror is not available on official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store. That means it has not gone through standard security checks, and you have to download it from unverified third-party websites. Some antivirus programs have already flagged it as potentially unsafe, and several users have reported malware alerts immediately after installing it. The app also requests a large number of unnecessary permissions, which raises serious privacy concerns. On top of the security risks, NetMirror claims to mirror content from services like Netflix and Amazon Prime without proper authorization, which could expose you to legal consequences. Bottom line, the security risks, privacy concerns, and legal dangers make NetMirror not worth downloading. Stick to verified apps from official stores to keep your device and data safe. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.